Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is a feature for scrapdivadesigns.com. I received this pinwheel die, and this is it here. It comes with the base. It comes with two layering pieces as well as the spinning dies as well. So this is it here. I am using one of the layers, and I'm also going to use this die from previous months. It's a bow die. I'm going to use a straw, so these are all my pieces that I'm using. And real quick, before we get into the project, I want to share with you the information on the back of the dies. This is Scrap Diva Designs Instagram, YouTube, and there's a hashtag. Please follow the hashtag to get more inspiration from talented crafters. And so let's go ahead and get on into it. So these are my pieces here that I'm starting with. I'm starting with the base as well as a layering piece. I did do some stitching on it. I'm going to glue the ends to the back of the pinwheel to form the pinwheel. And so you would have to do two of these and then pair them together. So this is what it looks like here. Next, it's time to glue the two pieces together. I'm using some hot glue to adhere the two pieces together. Real quick, if I inspire you today, please use my discount code. It's V10, that's VEE10. That'll save you. I decided to go with a paper straw, so I'm using this paper straw that I picked up from the 99-cent store in their party section. And so what I do is I do squeeze the top together. I add some hot glue to the inside of the straw and adhere the top layers together, following by gluing it to the pinwheel. So I do also use hot glue for that. And there it is. I initially wanted to use the pennant flag pole that came in the Easter die set. However, I decided to use the straw instead. I had a different way of using the pinwheel. However, I ended up using it in the front instead of the inside. And here I'm adding some stickers. I'm layering some hearts together. I noticed that it did need some lift, and so I added some foam adhesive, sandwiched two pieces together, and adhered it to the pinwheel and the center of the pinwheel. I also end up snipping a piece from the corner and then adding my sticker hearts, and I think it came out really nice. You can see that I have some ribbon on the pinwheel, which I decide to take out at a later time and off camera. I wanted initially to use the pinwheel inside the bucket. However, I thought it looked best on the outside of the bucket. Here are some sand shovels that I'm going to use later in the video. You will see, but this is what the pinwheel looks like. I did snip some of the straw off at the bottom, made it a little shorter so I can adhere it to the front of the bucket. So it's time for the big reveal. Here we go. So I made a sand bucket. Here is the sand bucket. It is a Lori Whitlock file. I decided to use a Lori Whitlock for all of my Cricut users who follow me. I am a silhouette girl and I love my silhouette. So I know that Lori Whitlock has her own website. Her SVG files cater to all machines, so I decided to go with her. So I'm glad I did. So let's get on into it. It's a loaded sand bucket and I love it, you guys. I think it's the most cutest thing in the world. Again, another miniature, super cute. This thing could be made as a memory dex as well. Super easy to just add the memory dex bottom here and make it very sturdy for your memory dex. But it's so cute, you guys. You can modify it and make it thinner And okay, let's get on into it. So look at that pinwheel. Isn't that pinwheel amazing? This is my favorite pinwheel. I love it. Scrap Diva Designs does have two different kind of pinwheels. Here's this one with the lace edges, and it comes with one layering piece. The one I'm using is this one here that has the stitching edge with two layering pieces, and it has the rotary centers here to make it spin. I didn't do that with this. I didn't think it was going to be needed. However, you are able to use that. So let's get on into it. I'm going to turn the back around so you can see how the background looks on for this bucket, because I did also add a shaker in the back. So here is the back here. So right here is what the front looks like as well. So I added some of the sequins. This sequence is a mix of two sequence mixes that was gifted to me. One was by Elle in a group swap that I was in with her. She sent me a Christmas one and it had blues in it. And the other is from Krystina, who is KG Crafts. And I will have both of them linked below. So Krystina did send me some sequence mix, like the yellows here are hers, and you can see I just mixed them together and it came out Sunny Days. So I am using the Sunny Days collection for this, and I am using scraps, you guys. This is scraps. I'm also using Scrap Diva's tassel. This tassel came, I believe, in last month, or it came in last month's. And so I decided to use it. It is a different collection. This is Bloom. However, I thought it went with the Sunny Days because the Sunny Days has that dark pink in it. And so these charms right here were gifted to me by Puchy Tats in a group swap as well. She gifted me some very cute charms. I'm so glad she sent me this little piece that can pass as an orange, or it could be a lemon. I love it. And then also this butterfly, which goes with the Sunny Days. The Sunny Days butterfly is bluer. However, I thought this would be a very good substitute. So look at the little piece here, acetate piece of the lady at the beach with her car. I did do some stitching on it. I glued the pinwheel down. So let's get into it. So inside is a very small embellishment. So we have some sequence mix in this tube that I picked up from Amazon. I added some of this ribbon tassel that I made and added some beautiful beads here, you guys. These are like faux lamp beads, which I was very surprised that Michaels had that. So this is a Michaels faux lamp bead, and also this bead right here is kind of like hand painted. It's a faux hand painted with a crystal on it. There's a black bead, and then the Sunny Days charm, and I love it, you guys. So just a fun sequence mix in this tube here, which is the same as the back. Okay, so now for the shovel, you guys. So I use the shovel as a backing piece for my embellishment. And so my embellishment, see, look at the inside. It's super cute, you guys. I love this little sand bucket. Okay, so the embellishment, all it is a rosette. We can get into it. I will open it. It's just a layered rosette, very chunky rosette. I added the Scrap Diva Designs bow and put a chipboard piece in the middle. I added this acetate that says sunshine on it, and punched a hole through it so it could hang right here. So I'm gonna flip it over. As you can see, it is a little shovel, which is so cute and adorable. I love it. Okay, so it is in a bag, and I did tie it with some ribbon. So let's go ahead and dig in. So I love the shovel. The shovel is the cutest little thing ever. So I did adhere the ribbon with the bow with some foam adhesive, and I did that so whoever gets this can just take it off. So again, I am using scraps, and so the rosette is a creating for Fun Lori rosette. If you guys need rosettes, go ahead and check her out, and you can pick up some rosettes from her. The rosette does come apart. It's attached to the shovel, but I'm not going to take it off. The shovel is just so stinking cute. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I do have another piece. I was initially going to use blue instead of yellow, so this is what it looks like, and the rosette's just on top. So cute, such a cute little shovel. So I didn't show you how to put together the sand bucket, the pail together, because I wanted to focus only on the pinwheel, and which we did, and I wanted to do a share for the bucket. But it's so cute, you guys. I added some of these hearts that came in the Sunny Days collection. I am using complete scraps. I have just like a handful of chipboard pieces left and a little bit of papers left, and I probably could do one more project with it, and then it's all finished. No more sunny days for me. So that is it. Super cute. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to check out scrapdivadesigns.com. Here is her information for future use. You can screenshot that, and if you have any questions, she is currently offering a gift, I believe they're gift card codes, so any of your swap partners, go ahead and check her out. All the links will be linked below. Well, you guys, this concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed this very small and miniature bucket here, which I absolutely love. Again, Lori Whitlock outdid herself with this little bucket because it's the cutest thing ever, and I love it. And so did Scrap Diva Designs with the pinwheel. My goodness, look at that pinwheel. It's just the cutest thing I ever seen. So cute and miniature. And like I've been saying, I love miniatures for some reason this year. So this year is the year of miniatures. Yeah, so let's get on. Okay, you guys, enough of my rambling. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.